Chemistry. How did this science change the face of humanity? Introduction. Hello, friends, and welcome to this new video. Today, we'll talk about a science that is essential to our lives, a science that explains how the world works. Chemistry. Think about this. Have you ever wondered how dough turns into bread, or how the turns clean our clothes, or ever how medicines work in our bodies? The answer is always chemistry. In the next minutes, we'll talk you on a journey through the history of chemistry, its branches, application, and the importance in our daily lives. Get ready to be amazed. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the science that studies matters, energy, and interaction between them. It explains how things are made and how they change. It's the language of the material world. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Chemistry explains how matter is made of atoms, how atoms form molecules, and how these molecules build everything around us. Chemistry is divided into several major branches. First, organic chemistry studies compounds containing carbon. Second, inorganic chemistry focuses in compounds without carbon. Third, physical chemistry combines physics and chemistry to understand molecular behavior. Fourth, analytical chemistry concerned with identifying substances and analyzing their components. Fifth, biochemistry studies chemical reactions within living organisms. Branches of chemistry. Because chemistry is so broad, it divided into several main fields. First, organic chemistry focused on carbon containing compounds like fuels and biomolecules. Second, inorganic chemistry deals with metals, salts, and non-carbon compounds. Third, physical chemistry merges physics and chemistry of studied energy and reaction rates. Fourth, analytical chemistry identifies substances and analyzes compositions used in furnace and food safety. Fifth, biochemistry explored chemical reactions inside living organizations. A brief history. Chemistry didn't start as we know it. It began as alchemy, and blend of mysticism, philosophy, and primitive science. Alchemists aimed to turn cheap metals into gold and discover the elixir of life. Despite their strange goals, they developed important techniques like distillation and filtration. In the 7th century, Robert Boyle promoted experimentation and observation. Later, Anthony Lavoisier introduced introduced the law of consideration of mass and is now called the father of modern chemistry. Chemistry in daily life. Chemistry isn't limited to labs. It's everywhere. Cooking. We cook meat or bake bread. Chemical reactions change the structure and flavor. Cleaning. Soap works through a chemical process called emulsification. Breathing. Oxygen binds with hemoglobin in a chemical reaction crucial for life. Amazing applications. Here are some of chemistry modern marvels: batteries, lithium-ion batteries power or portable devices, smart fabrics, clothes that change color with heat or light, 3D printing uses specially designed chemical materials, nanotechnology creates tiny particles for medicine and materials. Chemistry and the environment. Chemistry uh, help us understand pollution, purify water, reduce waste, and even capture carbon from the air. It also supports green energy by producing biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and eco-friendly chemical. Chemistry in medicine. Every painkiller, antibiotic, and vaccine is based on chemistry. Chemotherapy drugs, for example, are carefully designed to target cancer cells. Pharmaceutical chemistry is one of the most life-saving applications of this science. Chemistry and education. Learning chemistry improves critical thinking and problem solving. It sparks creativity, and today even kids are doing chemistry experiments at home with basic tools. In conclusion, chemistry is more than a science, it's a key to understanding our world. It opens doors to health, innovation, sustainability, and even space exploration. The more we understand chemistry, the smarter we can live and the better we can solve our problems. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what your favorite chemical reaction